तो क्या करना है, लास्ट ईयर क्या हुआ था, CUET हैज नॉट टच्ड इट्स ऑल टॉपिक and you being in the part of system, now what will happen, again I am repeating, you people are very much worried कि सर क्वेश्चन DSE भी आ रही है तो क्वेश्चन विल बी वेरी मैथमेटिकल, नॉट एट ऑल, ट्रस्ट मी, DSE सिलेबस इज लेसर, फॉर लेसर देन CUET. DSE का सिलेबस काफी छोटा है. When you particularly preparing for DSE, it has more quantity in nature. This does not mean it has very wide horizon. We have to work on wide horizon. We'll have class tomorrow again. Hardly it will of 30 to 40 minutes class. And class में हम दो चीज देखेंगे. I hope, I request you, you please come with the basic readings that I suggested for the ISLM BP and solo model. अगर आप लोग पढ़ के आएंगे तो it will be very easy because then you can at least put your doubt, ask the question. If same topic, if I am teaching, if your participation is there, it makes more sense that it is not monologue, dialogue is going on. Now coming back to the CUT thing, again and again I am repeating, focus on the syllabus part. Okay, if your syllabus is given that you have to read this topic, if they are writing ISLM BP, if I remind from last year, from this topic question is not asked, and from my side non-words this time like last 1 year I have also not been focusing which topics is not there last year. So you guys put a paper, on one paper you just write the topic, okay, from this topic question came and this topic they have not touched, so do those topics seriously from which question has not come last year. Okay Gaurav, so it will be really helpful to you. And it has an extra advantage. What happened? You don't have to keep pressurize yourself for each and every topic. Then you can prioritize the topic which did not came last year. Those topics should be prioritized. Clear? तो इस तरह से क्या होगा, आपको एक एक्स्ट्रा एडवांटेज होगा और क्वेश्चंस के होराइजन पे ध्यान देंगे, थोड़े वैरायटी ऑफ टॉपिक्स को पढ़ें. एज आई टोल्ड यू कि सिलेबस इज ओनली 80%. इफ यू कवर एंटायर सिलेबस you can answer 80 to 90%. That's why in every classes, in every topic we need to study extra. Like in macroeconomics we have done also some extra things, new classical, new Keynesian, these are not there in the syllabus. In Indian economy also we have done, and we've been doing Indian economy almost daily if you will keep asking. And in microeconomics we will also do, in international economics we will also do something extra. And in growth and development we have taken 2 extra class. In syllabus if you see, only Harrod-Doman model and solo model is written, but we have done so many things. So if your preparation is larger horizon, trust me, you will have extra advantage and no need to worry at all. I have made so many videos on YouTube also, and in class also I told you to focus on only 5-6 topics of numerical again and again. ISLM के numericals करने हैं आपको. In macroeconomics you are supposed to do this basic numericals of multiplier. In microeconomics you have to do basic numericals of market, कंज्यूमर थियरी एंड प्रोड्यूसर थियरी के जो कॉस्ट फंक्शन वाले न्यूमेरिकल्स हैं. ओनली 5 टॉपिक्स के न्यूमेरिकल्स, एटलीस्ट 2-3 न्यूमेरिकल्स ऑफ एवरी टॉपिक इफ यू आर एबल टू डू. ट्रस्ट मी, न्यूमेरिकल्स का टेंशन बिल्कुल नहीं होगा. हार्डली 5-7 न्यूमेरिकल्स विल बी देयर, 10 to 12 मैथमेटिकल क्वेश्चंस विल बी देयर, मैथ्स एंड स्टैट. Any doubt from the syllabus or anything? Because such things are very clear, it helps you, it motivates you to study in a better way.